Meet the Raycon Everyday Classic Earbuds. Compact, comfortable, and built for everyday listening. Enjoy clear sound, deep bass, and reliable wireless performance on the go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Raycon Everyday Classic Earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. Product overview. Control button, microphone, earbud indicator, silicone gel tip, charging connectors. Charging port, lanyard hook, wireless charging, charging capsule indicator. How to wear. Ensure the earbud tip is facing downwards, then place the earbuds into your ear. Rotate the earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. First, open the earbuds and they will enter pairing mode automatically. Next, go to your device's Bluetooth settings and look for Everyday Earbuds. Once you see them, select to pair, and just like that, the connection is established fast, easy, and ready to use in seconds. Smart features? Enjoy up to around 36 hours of total playtime with the charging case, so you can listen all day without constantly recharging. The extended battery makes them ideal for travel, workouts, and everyday use. Designed with soft gel tips and a lightweight profile, these earbuds stay comfortable even during long listening sessions. The secure fit also helps keep them in place during workouts and daily movement. Give me 5 main bullet points. Built to resist water splashes and sweat, these earbuds hold up during workouts or light rain. That means you can stay active without worrying about moisture damaging them. Dual built-in microphones help capture your voice clearly, so calls sound crisp. This makes conversations easier and more natural, even in everyday environments. Simply open the case, and the earbuds enter pairing mode automatically. Connecting to your device is quick, hassle-free, and ready in seconds. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Raycon Everyday Classic Earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Raycon Everyday Classic Earbuds. See you at the next one.